Hundreds gathered at BJP headquarters in Chennai to celebrate Prime Minister Modi's birthday. BJP workers were seen holding mass procession and violating social distancing norms. What's even worse is authorities who were part of the gathering did not oppose the mass violation. This comes at a time when Chennai has been witnessing a spike of almost 1,000 COVID cases daily. Pramod Madhav gets us all the details on this. Okay, let me go across to Pramod, who joins us live. So Pramod, we are looking at those pictures right now. So there is absolutely no semblance of social distancing, and it is not even like everyone is wearing a mask. So this looks like an open invitation for the infection to spread. I mean, this is just exactly a recipe for complete disaster. And even if one person is detected, all of these people will actually have to isolate. Isn't there any sort of awareness about how dangerous it is for humans to be collecting and gathering in this manner at a time like this?
Well, there is a lot of a lot of money that is being spread down, trying to create awareness by the same government, by the same netas, and whichever press meet they are talking, they at least once they remind themselves to actually say that people should maintain social distancing. They have to wear their mask, and they should always make sure that not to come in a group in any location unnecessarily. But unfortunately, all this only implies for the general public. For instance, since March, in the city of Chennai alone, close to 2 crore rupees has been collected as fine by the Greater Chennai Corporation from general public for not wearing masks. But at the same time, in several locations during such political events, we've seen countless number of people coming together, standing together, not wearing masks, spitting anywhere, just making the place dirty, and not even one action has been taken against them. And no matter how many times we are trying to highlight it, no remedy has been obtained so far. The same netas who is insisting that the people should maintain social distancing are also creating an opportunity for them to come together like this. And very unfortunately, in the state of Tamil Nadu, the pandemic situation is still not under control. We are having an average of 5,700 cases reported on an average every day.
5,700, that's a very big figure in terms of the daily caseload that you just mentioned, Pramod. Stay with us, and this is absolutely shocking. You're saying that the Chennai Corporation, the local administration, the state government, everybody turns a blind eye to this. Stay with us. We have more information and similar instances coming from the state of Tamil Nadu. In another incident where COVID norms were blatantly flouted in Chennai, hundreds were seen gathering at an event to greet Tamil Nadu Chief Minister E. Palaniswamy. However, distancing norms once again went for a toss. Visuals on your screen will show you how supporters simply gathered to wave at the Chief Minister and doesn't seem to be maintaining any social distancing at all, as is clearly evident from those pictures. And all of this simply to greet the Chief Minister. There is no urgency, no such emergency for the gathering. Completely avoidable, Pramod, what we see happening in Tamil Nadu. And you are one of those reporters who have been consistently exposing these kind of events, which are basically just a display of sycophancy, isn't it? I mean, what is the need for so many people to come out only to greet the Chief Minister? What was the idea of this gathering?
Well, there is absolutely no need for such kind of gathering at this point, because this is a pandemic situation and we have so much technology that the Chief Minister can be seat in the assembly and go ahead through video conferencing, can open the bridge. But he wants to go over there. That is also fine. But hundreds and hundreds of people are standing on the road to greet them. And the worst part here is that officials are there. We have the police, we have the traffic, we have the Greater Chennai Corporation authorities. Everybody standing over there, and these are the people who are emphasizing on social distancing, but nobody wants to raise their voice against what's happening. In fact, in one of the clips, you could even see that the Chief Minister is actually greeting those people standing together, and he's going by. And almost a month ago, when we questioned the Chief Minister as to why the Tamil Nadu state government was finding it difficult to control COVID-19 in the city, he said that it's because of the population. But unfortunately, it doesn't look only population seems to be the reason here.
Yes, and netas are becoming the reason why people are gathering in such huge numbers. On one side, it's the PM event for his birthday. On the other side, the Chief Minister drawing the crowds, taking pride in the gathering that has come to cheer at him. This is inexcusable and extremely dangerous for public health. Thanks for joining us, Pramod, with your inputs on the story.